Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I have the cat lady box. And of course, Jellybean's here. Jellybean, you're hogging mommy's camera. Scooch. So this is the cat lady box from January. I know I'm a little bit behind. So listen, Jellybean is obviously dying to get in there. Okay, you need to scooch back though. How's mommy gonna get that open? Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay, let's get it open. Let's figure out what's in here. There's the inside. Everything got all squished around. Jellybean, baby. I know. He's so excited about probably catnip. But that's the artwork for January. And this, the featured cat lady artist is Elvira Raskov. Jellybean. Okay, he's scrounging around. So while you're looking at this, I'll read it. Elvira, I'm so sorry, Elvira. He's driving me nuts. Elvira Raskov is an artist living in California, but originally from Jellybean. He's trying to sleep in the box. I haven't even done anything. You know what it is? It's the catnip. She's originally from Colombia. Hi, Elvira. She enjoys painting in watercolor and oil. Elvira likes to paint and sketch animals, landscapes, flowers, and city scenes. One of her passions is to paint in plein air, and that's spelled P-L-E-I-N. So I'm not sure what that is, but you might want to look it up. Google is our friend. Or painting on location. That might be what it means because it says or. I don't know. I'm guessing. You can find her work on her website at https. Okay, it's www.elviragallery.com. Okay. Jellybean, I mean, really, bud. I can't get anything out of there. You're like laying on top the whole thing. Okay, I think these, oh my goodness, I knew it. Kitty cat socks. I'm so excited. Listen, I've got probably 5,000 pair of socks. I know. But I love me some socks. And I'm very excited about this. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Look at them socks. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we've got a pair of socks. Let's see what I can get out of here because he's sleeping. Oh, here we go. Oh. It's a hair clip. Okay, I'd be happy to share this with anyone. I'm not going to take it out because, I mean, obviously, I'm not going to use a hair clip. And it's okay. But, look, it's in the shape of a kitty cat, sort of. It's very, you know, like it's not shouting at you that it's a kitty cat. See? Very cute. I have a few friends who could probably use it and like it. Y'all, seriously. I know y'all are probably going to, like, go nut. But look at this. Look at this. I'm not kidding. Look. Jellybean, what are you doing, buddy? Jellybean. Buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? You just locked that box? Is it your nip? Is it your nip? I think it's the nip. Okay. I think this is a hoodie. I can actually... Ah! It's gonna fall over ya. Okay, it is... Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, first of all, it's an adorable color. It's got a hoodie. It's a full zip. It's got a... Oh! And look at pockets in the front. Mine got a bit of... That's all right, I'll clip that. That's no biggie. It's just some extra thread. And it's got that, but wait till you see the back. Hello. I love it. Okay, so we got a hoodie. And apparently I've, you know, vacated the cat. I don't know why he ran like that. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's a Perfect Dreams sleep mask. It says catnap on it. Oh my goodness, they're gonna love that. Okay, hold up. I gotta like take all the little tags off. And then I'll let him have it, because then he's going to be so upset he missed this. Jellybean. Oh, hi, Sami. You want to play? I'm going to throw it at Sami. She'll love it. Here, oh, Jellybean's coming back. Okay, what's this guy? Oh! Okay, it's a teaser for the cats. They love these. And you can never have too many, I'm telling you, because they play with them until the darn thing breaks off, right? They they attack it until it's broken, basically. But they have so much fun, and it's really inexpensive, so I don't mind. All right, let me see here. Where'd that little thing go? Well, Jellybean, you gotta hold on. Mommy's gotta take all the tags off. And you're gonna go back and lay in there again? I'm not done. There's something else in there, and I think it's for Mom. He's like, that's it. He's done. He's like, forget it. I'm doing this. Okay, so here it is. I know you can't really see, but it's really long. Go, Jellybean. Go get it. Go around. You can go right there. Go on. Go on. Get down. That's good. Yep. Go on. Well, you gotta keep going. How you gonna play with it? He's like trying to claw my leg to get it. You gotta go over there and get it. Sami's playing with it. She's all like, I got it. Woo! 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 Well, okay. Ah! Get it, Jellybean. Get it, buddy. Get it. Sami! Now they're both doing it. Hey, wait. Hold on. Woo, woo. Get it, Sami. Get it, girlie. You got it. You got this. Yeah, you got this. You got this, girlie. All right, I'm going to put it down for a minute. We'll play after we're done with the box. Jellybean. Oh. Okay. I'm sure you're bored of tears. One more thing. It's a cat soap dish. I love this. On the back, it says, Cat Lady Box donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping us help cats in need. And they do. Okay. Oh, what's that? How's this work? Hold up. Oh, okay. It says, your cat soap dish can be used 2 ways. Standalone or wall mounted. Okay, that's what this thing is right here. To mount on the wall or tile, attach the included mount square to the back of the soap dish, peel backing, and stick to a clean surface. Please note, the adhesive is not removable. Good to know. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be attaching it to the wall. So I will just use it as a standalone. But you can see it's a little cat head. And it's plastic, so very easy to keep clean and all of that. Very cute. And, okay, that's it for January. So very cute. Of course, the soap dish, the hair clip, the hoodie, and the socks. So excited. So keep watching because, of course, I have February and March to open too. So I will be getting to those as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.